Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a little unboxing video. I'm going to be keeping the box though. And maybe not this, but the actual box, white box inside. So this is the 20th anniversary set, 2020. So yeah, 2020 V-Force set. So yeah. Oh god, I've been waiting for this one. I ordered this. Let me see actually. Let me go on, yeah. But this, I've been wanting this by, I wasn't sure if I was going to get it or not. I ordered it the 5th. And I have the, burst version of Metal Masters. And that should be here soon, too. It's coming from yeah, Arlington, Texas. It's coming from, so it just departed today from Dallas, Texas. So yeah, I'm happy about that. And also, you'll be seeing this today. Oh god, I will be doing some of these guys. So these light up bays. So. The batteries on these guys, I need to get new ones, so yeah. And this one actually uses the plastic gen pieces right here. So yeah, that's going to be fun. Stay tuned for a battle between these guys. I need to get these guys to work, so yeah. Let me show you the back. Oh, nothing. In the clean white. Oh god, this thing is amazing. Yeah, I like that. 20th anniversary. And, oh god, look at this. Look at this artwork. I love this so much. The only reason I'm keeping this box is because it's a collector's item and because this artwork. I still have the other two I have. I just need to bring them out. So yeah. Here's the base. Now I should be getting the original after soon, maybe. Yeah. Okay, the box has the back. Dragoon V, Sting, Evolution, and Dronzer V. It's yeah, the Dronzer Volcanic, Hurricane, Dimension. Oh, I didn't know. I thought it was Dimension Dash, but yeah. This one is Trigger Vulcan. It's 10 reach and weight. I like that color. I like the recolors. And this is Drasil Viper, around and orbit metal, and finally Gaia Dragoon. A virus, or yeah, I'm butchering the name, is 10, expand, and iron. And I like that purple iron. So yeah, let's get this. Oh god, this looks amazing. Oh god, not trying to mess anything up. Oh, that's fine. Oh god, whoa. The box, the ripcord, bring that back. Here's the base right here. And grab the stickers on the back. Oh god, no. Luckily you won't see that. Okay. Here's the stickers. We'll be putting this stickers on camera. And here's the launcher. Oh god. Oh, this grip. Oh god. Man. Here's that. Here's get the launcher. I don't. What's my knife? A straight version. If I use the ripcord, I'll probably use this one. Let me grab a knife. Okay, this one. Okay. This was freshly sharpened, so yeah. Okay. There we go. Okay, that looks great. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah. My colors, Tyson's colors. Yeah. That's cool. Let's get these guys, so there we go. Let's go get with let's get the one I already got. Here's Dragon V, Sting, ooh yeah, I have 2 white ones now and 1 gray one. Actually, let me get something else. Okay. Okay, I usually put it on. There we go, Dragoon V. Let's get on. Ow. Oh god, this looks amazing. And actually, I finally have the sticker to this. Let's get this guy. Oh god. This fucking looks amazing. Yeah, I will be doing battles with these guys. Next is Trigger. Ooh, Jigger. Fucking clean as hell. I love this. Okay. Okay, there we go. Boom, Trigger. Sting. I mean, yeah. Very happy about this. Okay. Very stiff. Okay. Here's that drink. Let me actually close this up. Fucking gorgeous. Never put the stickers on. Okay, yeah, there it is. Fucking gorgeous as hell. Okay, yeah, there we go. And finally, got your Dragoon. It's kind of stiff. I need to break it in, but yeah. I'm gonna get the stickers. Oh god. I definitely break that in, but yeah. Fucking gorgeous set. Clean, clean, clean. Let me move this right here. I'm using my this old table right here, if you guys remember. Just let me get the other ones right now. There we go. The original guys versus the new guys. Fucking gorgeous as hell. Very accurate. Accurate. Words. They should have made it like a sharp version of this one. That's one thing. Fucking accurate as hell for this one. And Dimension was a good choice. Of course, Dragoon. Here's Drasil. V. But yeah, I really can't wait to see the V2s and stuff like that. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.